Hey friends, it's Eric and today we're checking out this outdoor patio heater from East Oak. Now this is not one of those big standing heaters that you see at outdoor restaurants. This is one that kind of can sit on a table or a side end and just really just concentrates on a smaller area for one or two people. Now they did send this out to me for a full honest review, but I would have bought this anyways because this thing is pretty awesome for what it is. Now, these going to take the 1 pound propane tanks that you will have to purchase separately, and I bought some reusable ones, and you can recharge them via the big 20-pound tanks that you have for your grill and maybe some other things. And when it came to installing this, it took about 15 minutes or so. Not that hard. You just need a screwdriver, which I replaced with my own screwdriver. It's just too small for my big hands. And hooked up the tank to it. Really simple. It started right up. It's electric start, so it has a little tiny battery, and I wouldn't say it puts out a ton of heat. Even on high, you're only going to get maybe a 5-foot radius, but it kind of just takes off some of that coldness as you're sitting outside. It's really not going to warm you up a lot. It just takes off, how do I say it, like just the edge just a little bit, just a little nipness, just when it's really, really cold outside. Obviously, I'm testing this out in the winter, so if it's maybe a late night in the spring or fall and you just want to warm up and you're out there with no jacket on, you'll definitely feel it. But when the winter time, like I'm testing it here, you're still going to need a jacket, and it just kind of takes the edge off a little bit of the coldness. Now, the 1 pound propane tank, I ran this thing always on high, and I got just about 2 hours. Sometimes a little bit shorter than 2 hours, sometimes a little bit more. I guess it's because I was filling up myself, and I wasn't always exactly filling up the same. I say just about 2 hours. I gotta say, it's super easy to ignite. Just turn the dial to on, and you want to press in the dial, let some of that gas out, hold it for about 30 seconds to a minute, and then simultaneously press the red button to light it. Once you do that, the whole thing's not going to light up, just a little like pilot light. Then when you turn the dial more, you're going to be on low. That will turn on the rest of the flame, and you can turn it on high. You see it really come out of all sides now. All in all, this is a really nice little heater. Remember, it's for a very small space, about 5 feet or so, and it's not going to be extremely hot in the wintertime. It's just going to take some of that coldness out of the air. All in all, give this a 2 thumbs up. Hope this video was helpful. See you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.